Mwena wa Karen ni kwa munini wa President Kithure Kindiki acemanitie na anyitite miruhonge-ini rwa urimi wa kahua, mucere, igwa ona mbembe kumulika mitaratara itiganite iria yarirwo niguo kugacirithia makiria urimi uyu. Kindiki augite urimi guku bururi-ini ni uthiete na mbere na kugacira gukiringithanio na miaka ya na hau kabere, muhiano mwega kiana wigie marihi mega mari arimi a kahua mahetwo mwaka-ini uyu.
We've made some progress in modernizing our coffee production and marketing, but there is a lot of heavy lifting to do. I am following up that item separately because I know where it will take this country to.
Ciĩgiĩ urimi wa mbembe augite ni warahukite na njira nene, undu uria ucungiriirie ona ithenya riria riariho ria ngunia milioni 10 miaka-ini mihituku kuihurio.
In 2022 we imported I think 10 million bags of maize, but that has gone down, and right now what actually the ministry is asking for now is just the authority to import yellow maize for animal feeds, so that it doesn't, the white maize is not used to do animal feeds.
Erite arimi a mucere kwaga gukua ngoro kumana na mathina maria makoretwo ho, akiuga ihinda-ini riri mari mutaratara-ini wa guthondeka thogora uria arimi maragurirwo naguo mucere wao.
We must ensure, as we committed, that the country is self-sufficient in its rice production as a food security and economic empowerment initiative or measure.
Kindiki ahinyiriirie thirikari no iguthie na mbere gutigirira bururi wa Kenya ni wehunia guo mwene na njira ya kunyitirira arimi. Girifo tera Inoro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.